Hello everyone, we are here now. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. At first, let me just copy that and let's make it. You see it pretty fascinating and look well. Let's try to create this. At first, we need to create these shapes. You see here these shapes. Let's see how we can create them. We have two kind of situation in creating them. At first, we can create them by using a circle and a rectangle and select all of them and make them union. Your shape is being created. Or we have another ways. You can look and see if you can find the shape you want. By the way, this is the shape. You can create this and modify it. Okay, let's say we create the shape. After creating the shape, this thing is the shape. How I create one of them? Let's go and see. For example, this one, how I create it. At first, let me ungroup this to make it raw. You just create a text box and set the overdrive sunset and create this number. And also for this is text box and nothing more. After creating those two things, select all of them and group them. Now your thing is being created, the thing you have here. Okay, we have all of them here. After creating that, you need to align them. We send this to back and then send this to front. After that, we need to, for aligning them, we send this to front and bring this to front. Now we align the shapes and it's ready to use. We need to create the effect. We just simply copy that. You see here. Let's try to create the effect here. We select all of them and we just simply, before creating effect, I want to create something that make this thing look very better. How? We go to shape option to shadow and then we gave it left shadow. You see it's look very better. Now we select all of this slide, copy that, select all of them and align them center, middle. Don't forget, don't push the middle because everything goes wrong. After centering that, you just simply bring this to front. I prefer that we have no outline. And here also, if we have no outline, the shapes looks very better. Now set the transition to morph. Let the magic happen. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me in the comments. And if you like this kind of content, you can like and subscribe and see more of them in my channel. Until then, have a nice time.